Hi, my name is Dr. Greg Erens, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon at Emory Orthopaedics and Spine Center, specializing in hip and knee replacement. Growing up, I always liked to work with my hands and was very interested in technology. I was also fascinated by the human body and was drawn to the field of medicine. Orthopedic surgery has allowed me to blend my interests and background in biomedical engineering to help make life better for patients with hip and knee problems. I'm committed to improving the quality of life of my patients. I take the time to listen to their concerns and understand their goals. I always strive to help my patients fully understand all their options and educate them on what to expect before and after surgery. I want to make it the best patient care experience possible. At Emory Healthcare, we have great resources, the best equipment, the best surgeons and staff, and the latest cutting-edge technology available. We have a dedicated orthopedic hospital with an incredible team which provides the best patient experience and outcomes. Our research and dedication to patient care makes us a leader in our community and beyond. When I'm not caring for patients, I love spending time with my family and enjoy live music, trying new restaurants, attending sporting events, and spending time outdoors. In closing, I look forward to meeting you and starting our healthcare journey together at Emory.